He's actually really good. He's not trying to dart out. He knows he's leashed up. So he sure would like to be unleashed, but I'm not even going to try that with him. But look how many there are. There's so many. They're snowbirds coming down here to enjoy this Arizona's winter weather, which is gorgeous out today. This is one of the reasons why we live here. We love it just like they do. They're telling everybody there's a dog over here. They're passing on the message. Okay, we're gonna walk on by. What a video it would be if I let him go, but nope, not gonna do that. That would be mean.